So how to add your Santander card to Apple Pay? So to add your Santander card to Apple Pay, unfortunately right now there currently isn't a way to do it through the app. So you're going to need to manually do it through the Apple Wallet. So first things first is you're going to want to open up your wallet app. And then once you've opened up your wallet, you just want to click on the plus sign at the top here. Then from there, select debit and credit card. And then once you've done that, you'll then be able to scan your Santander debit card through your phone's camera. And then once you've scanned your Santander debit card, your details should be copied over to your wallet, and you can go ahead and verify them to make sure they're all correct. Then once you've done that, you'll get some terms and conditions, so give them a read, and if you're happy to agree, click agree. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to wait. And if everything's done correct, your Santander card will now be added to your Apple Wallet. Now you may need to do some card verification again, so it might send you a text message, but once that's done, your Santander card is now in your Apple Wallet. And if you want to set it as your default, you can also do so here as well. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.